Hey Travis kiddos, let's do some phonemic awareness and word work. We're going to start with identifying and isolating the middle sound in a word, and then we're going to work on some word endings. Okay, so I'm going to say a word and we're going to identify together first and then on your own that medial sound, the sound in the middle. So if I said the word leg, the middle sound is eh. Leg. The middle sound is eh. Like our sound this week, the short E sound. If I said the word men, we could stretch it out, men, and figure out that middle sound. Take that throw it away. Take that throw it away. We're left with eh. Men. The middle sound is eh. In the word red, what's the middle sound? Eh again. It's that short E sound. Red, eh. How about in the word hot? Hot. Hot has ah in the middle. The middle sound is ah, not eh this time. How about in the word sit? Sit. The middle sound, sit. The middle sound is I. How about in the word fell? Fell. Fell. The middle sound is eh. How about the word map? Map. I'm going to let you figure that one out on your own. Stretch it out. Map. Figure out the middle sound. How about in head? What's the middle sound in head? Can you get it? How about the middle sound in log? What's the middle sound in log? Last one. What's the middle sound in beg? Beg. I hope you were able to get all of those middle or medial sounds in those words. Now let's move on to our word work. I'm going to say some words and I want to see if you can tell the difference between them. Yell, yelled. Dress, dressed. Need, needed. Can you tell the difference between those words? When we say yell and yelled, today I yell to my sister in the other room. Yesterday I yelled to her. It's our past tense. And all we had to do was add ed at the end. Dress, dressed. This year I'm going to dress as something for Halloween. Not telling you yet. Last year I dressed as Peter Pan. I need a new shirt. Yesterday, I needed a new paper. So, yell, yelled, dress, dressed, need, needed. They all add ed and make it the past tense. But do you hear the same sound at the end of all of those? Yelled, dressed, needed. It's making a different sound in each word. Yelled makes a d sound. Dressed makes a t sound. Needed makes an ed sound. So ed at the end of the word, making it past tense, already happened. It can be made with the d, t, or ed sound, depending on the word. So let's try some together. If I say, I smell something delicious. Yesterday, I smelled something stinky. Smelled. Do we have the d, the t, or the ed? Smelled. That one's a d sound at the end. How about pecked? The chicken pecked at the food. Pecked has that t sound at the end. Pecked. How about dread? I dreaded getting a haircut. Dreaded. That's an ed sound. Dreaded. So remember, the ed sound can make d, t, or ed, depending on the word. So be careful when you read them. We wouldn't say, I yelled. We wouldn't say, I dressed. We wouldn't say, needed, right? So just read it carefully, try out different ones if you need, and see which one makes the most sense. I hope you had fun with that, and happy learning!